This is a quick tip video. This is a must. You have to know this to survive, okay? This right here is Gorilla Tape. I think I spent $3.49 on it. I don't know how many feet it is, but it'll do a lot of Teflon strips, okay? This is the black. I think they make it in white. I think it's approximately about an inch wide. I think they say it's 30 feet on this roll. That's a lot of tape. What we're gonna do is, if you call me and you say, Ralph, I got a problem. And I say, what's the problem? Man, listen, these patterns are cutting good, but like some places the patterns are cutting too deep, you know, and some places they're not cutting deep enough. That's an indication that there may be some unevenness in your Teflon strip. Or if you call me and say, Ralph, I'm getting some like bad cuts, like it's real jagged, or it's just not cutting smooth. You know, you can have like a cut in your strip and your blade's getting hung in it. It's not spinning when it goes back and forth. And so it kind of skips sideways. Okay, your Teflon strip is done. Okay, instead of getting a new strip, which sometimes these strips don't always come in where they work as good as new ones, and they make things even worse. So what we're doing now is we're opening up the Gorilla Tape and we're putting it along the edge of our strip, covering it up with one layer, and sometimes that just solves the problem. I want to show you how to put it on, and I'm also going to say that if it doesn't cut straight or right or perfect after one layer, we're also putting 2 layers on. Usually 2 layers will get you back up and running and cutting beautifully again without the problems that a Teflon strip can bring once it's been damaged or, you know, cut, okay? So let's do the next scene. I'm gonna show you how we put it on. It's quick, easy, and simple. All you need is that roll of Gorilla Tape and some alcohol and a towel. And then all I do is I just come over here and I just quickly wipe off any tape residue, any dust, any oil contaminants, whatever. We're just preparing a surface for something to stick to it. And then, you know, I promise you Gorilla Tape sticks really, really good. And so once I've done that, I'm just gonna come over here and I don't know, I like starting from the left side. I guess I'm right-handed. It just works better for me that way. I'm gonna peel some of this Gorilla Tape up like this. See how I do this? I wanna start with it into the black zone, like right there. Okay, then I'm gonna start to, almost like you're pinstriping a car. You just pull it out, and then you pull it tight, and watch what I do over here. Watch how I start to turn this down so I get it closer, and then I can line it up just perfect. And I pull it tight, come down. Then I quickly just use my hands and stick it. Then I pull out some more, like this. Now, I've left the machine on. I'm gonna kind of flatten that out a little bit, and I'm gonna move my carriage over because it's in pause mode. Okay, now I've cleared my carriage. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come over here. This is my trick. I'm gonna extend past, my edge. I'm gonna let it stick right there, and I'm gonna just tear it like duct tape. I'm gonna come back over here, and then I'm gonna get maybe about 3 inches to the end. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna line it up where I know it needs to be, like this. And then I'm just gonna keep pushing. Done. Now I'm gonna come over here with my knife. I'm just gonna gently cut the edge. I'm gonna remove the excess piece, and I might get my old towel out, but I'm just gonna press it down like so. Move it over, and I'm gonna go all the way over, just like this. I'm gonna cut the other side off like I did the first side, like this. Kind of grab it up, and that's it. If you think the machine is not cutting still perfectly, repeat the steps, put a second layer over this layer, and then try to run it, dial it in, and this will fix your Teflon strip almost 99% of the time. lot of people are using it. Everybody's enjoying it. And let me know if you got a better idea or a different product to put over it. If you're like us, we've really been happy with the Gorilla Tape, and there are some other products out there that like the Teflon tape and stuff like that for the cards. People are really enjoying. So, quick tip.